Waffle Jam, it's Waffle Jam, where you have some waffle man. For the last time, Rage right. I don't know what a waffle is. Firestar doesn't like waffle. Firestar doesn't like waffle?
Firestar doesn't like cookies.
Isn't he a kitty cat? Complaining about cookie
I love Pony. My thing's outside.
Ah, I'm surrounded by idiots.
Oh yeah, sell some, yo, macaron, yeah, macaron, no, chacaron, 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 chacaron.
Well, congratulations, Fireheart. You're now mentioned. Wait, what?
It's a great day to tell my sister how much better my life is. Oh, princess!
Brother, there you are. I've got something for you.
What? It's not that, right?
Of course, this is my largest son. The one I've deemed most suitable for hand-to-hand combat.
That's, nice of you, but the clans are really no place for a kitty. Oh wait, I'm one of those.
Oh, Fireheart, I'm sure that living in the wild is much harder than raising the countless children who Suzanne's suspicious van leaves on my doorstep every day. You'll have no problem.
What?
Wait, do you want more? I have more. 4 more. Let me go get them.
No, I'm good. This one's... Oh, I'm good. This one's good.
We do not need more mouths to feed in Thunderclip. Oh, no, I hear Blueface almost. I'm not sure. I feel heartbroken. Give him to me. You're going to have kittens, Squirrel Flight. Wait, what? I thought you said I was barren. Not anymore, thanks to the power of science. The what? Thanks to the latest in StarClan technology, we have found a way to clone the perfect main characters. Alderpaw, a perfect clone of you, and Sparkpaw, a perfect clone of Firestar. Alderpaw will be designed to be relatable and Sparkpaw designed to be perfect. Nothing could go wrong. Wait a second, maybe make one of them look a bit like Bramblepaw? It's just because we've had a few, trust issues in the past. Oh, well, don't worry about that. We've got plenty of brown tabbies to clone. You could pick from Tiger Star, Hawk Frost, and Broken Star. Oh, God. No, never mind. Just change the eye color for me. Looking good.
Yellowfang? Something's wrong with Fireheart. What is wrong with him now? Please hurry. Oh, I'm getting too old for this crap. Where is he? Over there. What the?
Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant? Am I pargant? Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant? Help? Is there a possibility that I'm pregnant? Am I pregnant or am I okay? Could I be pregonate? How do I know if I'm pregnant? Can I be pregnant? Can u get pregante? What happened when get perginat? Are these systems of being pregnant? 38 plus 2 weeks? Pregnant? Can oo bleed while oo are pergert? Can oo down a 20-foot water slide pegnat? Will my get pregnant? Does anyone know how many teens get pregnant a year? Did most you women feel pregnant before find out? How long can oo go being pregnant to get an abortion? Can I get pregnant if he had a condom on? Is it possible having sex to a 8 months pregnant? Danger ops, pregnant sex. Will it hurt baby top